What's good YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. So earlier this year, New Balance introduced a brand new model for us, the New Balance 5740, a sneaker which is a modern take on one of their most popular silhouettes, the 574. And over this past year, the 5740 has proven to be one of the most popular sneakers from New Balance. I haven't even talked about the sneaker yet on the channel, and I thought it's time to do a video on these for two reasons. First of all, my favorite colorway of this model, the Gray Day colorway, actually did restock on the New Balance website here in Europe. And second is because of you guys. I get quite a lot of questions about the shoe. What's the leather like? What's it feel like on feet? So in this video, I will be telling you everything you need to know about the New Balance 5740. So what's good guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all kinds of other sneaker content. If you're into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week. So this video is gonna be all about the New Balance 5740. I'll tell you what's the best size for you to cop. We'll also talk about comfort, the quality of this sneaker, and just basically whether or not these are worth the price. And of course, as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look. I'll be wearing different types of pants with this shoe to also show you how versatile the shoe can be. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So the New Balance 5740. So this sneaker was modeled after the 574, a sneaker that got released back in 1988, and its popularity has not stopped. And now we're getting an updated modern take on that sneaker, and there's definitely quite a few differences to talk about. But first, the similarities. The panels on the sneaker, the panels on the upper, they're almost actually identical to the panels on the 574. So the upper is definitely not changed too much. But then you got this really oversized N logo. The first time we saw this logo was on the 327s, and people just love the way that large logo looks, and it looks great on the shoe as well. And you also have that really exaggerated outsole. Of course, nowadays more than ever, it seems like chunky shoes are really popular. So it makes sense why this modern version has a much chunkier outsole. New Balance says it was inspired by general 90s sneakers. And the outsole of the sneaker almost looks like a hiking shoe. It's got a trail outsole, and that's because when the 574 first came out, they were supposed to actually be trail running sneakers. One of the best things about the shoe has to be the price point. The retail price of this sneaker in the United States, most colorways retail for about $100. Some colorways are $110, and then you have some of these collabs which go for around $150, which in my opinion is an absolute steal for a sneaker this nice. And looking at the New Balance website right now as we speak, there are so many nice colorways on that site right now, including this one, which is probably my favorite, this blue N logo on that white upper. Such a clean pair of sneakers. This is available in a full-size run as I speak right now. I've also noticed that this sneaker has been really popular with women, and there's definitely several woman-friendly colorways. I will leave links to all of these colorways in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Generally, New Balance sneakers, we know that the quality is always on point. And when it comes to value for money, this sneaker right here is probably the best value for money in the entire New Balance line. The suede on this upper is super nice. It's just as good as some of the suede you get on 990s or 992s. You get some nice hairy suede on some of the panels, and also you get some leather on the tongue, some very smooth leather, I might add. Yeah, some great leather quality on the shoe, and also the comfort. You know, New Balance sneakers, they're gonna be very comfortable. And the same goes for this pair. Now the cushioning is not as cushiony as a 992, for example, but just for everyday use, just everyday walking, this is gonna be perfect. I mean, for $100, if you look at some of their competitors right now, I really don't think there's too many good quality sneakers around that price range that are this comfortable as well. It's also a very versatile shoe. You can wear these with just sweatpants and they look great. You can rock these with jeans, with cargos. It doesn't matter what you rock with them, they're gonna look good. It is a easy to wear everyday type of sneaker. Now, I'm sure this is probably what a lot of you guys clicked on this video for. Let's talk about the sizing on these. New Balance sneakers, I know, can be quite tricky with the sizing. So for these, I tried them in a true to size. So I am a true size 11. I also tried them in a 10.5. If I had to choose between one of the two, personally, I would go with the 10.5. So I would go a half size down. And that is the same size that I wear in New Balance 992s as well as 990s. The toe area right here is actually quite wide. So even if you go a half size down, you're not gonna feel like your toes are getting squished. When I went true to size, I definitely felt like there was quite a bit of heel slippage, so my suggestion is go a half size down. And just to give you some context to compare it with some non-New Balance sneakers, I wear the same size in these as I do Air Force Ones, and a half size lower than, for example, Jordan 1s or Air Max sneakers. Overall, the New Balance 5740, one of the cleanest, best value for money sneakers from the New Balance line. Good quality, easy to style, and they look very good, so definitely get yourself a pair. Once again, I will leave a New Balance link in the description so you guys can check out what colorways are available right now. Gonna give you guys an on-feet look of these as well, but before you see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And of course, follow me on Instagram, very active on there. And yeah, I respond to pretty much all my DMs, so make sure you guys follow me. And thank you guys so much for watching this video and for messing with the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.